Hey guys, this is Lamar. Hey, I apologize for not giving an update recently, uh, but I just wanted to touch base with you today to let you know where I'm at. Um, I made a new friend. His name is George Eichard from GI Custom Knives, and he's been helping me out a little bit, teaching me some things along the way, and made a lot of progress. So I want to show you where the knives are right now. This is the knife after heat treating. George has a good oven, and we used his oven to heat treat the stainless steel. Again, this is 440C stainless steel. So what we did was we brought it up to 1450 degrees, and we let it there for about 20 minutes. Then we ramped it up to 1900 degrees, and it was at 1900 for about 45 minutes. And then we pulled it out, put it between a couple of pieces of aluminum to bring the heat back down, and that made it harder than the files. After that, we tempered it. We put it in the oven twice at 400 degrees for 2 hours, and that gave us what we needed. We did cool it down after the initial tempering and after the aluminum using a cryo bath, and so that helped out as well. So anyhow, if you guys need any more details on the process, I found out later that 440C was probably not my best pick for a first knife. So yeah, don't do that. Tool steel would have been a much better use. Now that's after the tempering and heat treating, and this is what it looks like after the final grind. So George also instructed me that it's probably a good idea to flatten the steel before you actually do the grind. Yeah, something I didn't think about ahead of time, which I will do from now on. I left it the way it is right now, just because, I didn't get all that flattened out, just because that's going to be under the handle. I'm not real worried about that. But so that's how it looks post tempering or heat treating and tempering, post final grind, and we did a little playing around before he left for the blade show, and came up with something like this. So we put the handle on as G10. Before that, we dipped it in a PC board etching solution, kind of an acid wash, and put it in. If you look real close, you can see the marks. Then we put it in a tumbler with some rocks, and that was pretty sweet. So I'm working on getting my own tumbler. That's going to be one of my next things. But the handle isn't quite finished ground. You can see there's some unevenness and imperfections. But for starting, I thought it was pretty good. I put that maroon spacer in there. I think that looks kind of cool. I don't know. I'll be interested to hear what you guys have to think. I've got the hole in it for the lanyard, and these are 3/8 pins. The jimping ended up really nice, I thought. Anyhow, it's got a good feel to it. I really like how it feels. Once I smooth it out, I think we'll be ready to go. After that, then I'm going to make a Kydex sheath for it, and so then the next thing I'll probably do is I'm going to finish up the rest of these, and I'm also finding out how much faster it is to grind with a 2x72 grinder than it is with a 1x42. Wow, that's a big difference. So anyhow, I'm going to be tool shopping at some point. Anyhow, I'd be interested to hear what you guys have to say. I apologize again for the delay. I've just been learning so much, and I really appreciate George's help and the encouragement of Tim Troyer. Things have been going really well here. I know they're at the Blade Show right now. I wish I could be there, but work's got me tied here. So anyhow, all right. Well, subscribe to my site and give me a thumbs up if you like what I've done so far. Any comments or suggestions would be wonderful. Thank you.